Long before the social media era of popular websites such as TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter, Jamaican music was already going viral. And in this video by JamFet, we're going to be looking at 10 songs that set Jamaica ablaze before the era of social media. In number 10, we find Action by Terror Fabulous and Nadine Sutherland. In 1993, this song was on the lips of every Jamaican, so much so that even the Jamaica Labour Party took the song and made it their theme song in the 97 general election campaign. In number 9, we find Inna the Bus by Professor Nuts. 1987 was a year of golden hits, and this one took a hold of Jamaica.
Them a fight and a fuss me here one-stop driver left me bag. Oh, Miss Adi, your arms so back.
In number 8, we have Sharon a Pregnant, You're Pregnant by Little John, and the response, Jackie a Pregnant, You're Pregnant by Peter Metro. These songs revolutionized pregnancy in Jamaica, as every Jamaican would sing it after you, whether you were pregnant or simply just fat.
Sharon a pregnant, you're pregnant, yes mama. From the same sicky, shoulda know mama.
Jackie, not tell me so you're pregnant. Jackie, you're pregnant, you're pregnant. Jackie, not tell me so you're pregnant.
Another song that ruled 1987 was Fab Five's Jamaican Women. Now this one had all the parishes competing against each other to see which one had the best women.
Some of them are chinal and we make you ball. Jamaican woman, a sugar and salt. Some of them are chinal and we make you ball.
In 1990, Papa San and Lady G divided Jamaica into two halves, men versus women, husband versus wife, in their song, Round Table Talk.
You ever see me in a pic, you ever see me in a slip. Me now wear makeup and put on lipstick. Go ahead. But you don't wear that and this. I wonder how me can find me makeup kit.
In 1992, General Degree introduced a new style entitled Granny, and this one just sent Jamaica into overdrive.
Granny, stop hollering out my name.
In 1988, Hurricane Gilbert brought the rain, but it was Lovin' Dear who brought the sunshine with his hit Wild Gilbert.
Wild Gilbert, water come in me room. The sweep out song with me broom. The little dog laugh to see such fun, and the dish run away with the spoon.
Those who had a TV will remember just waiting for a Saturday evening to see the music video of Lieutenant Stitch's Wear Your Size. And anyone who had what seemed to be a big foot, well, we would sing this song at that person.
The gal foot big and the gal foot tall.
Now, those who had an extra appetite will remember this song by Tiger in 1987, No Wanga Got. And it went absolutely crazy all over Jamaica. Just before we discover the #1 song that created a buzz in Jamaica in the olden days, remember to share and like and subscribe to JamFet, celebrating the Jamaican culture abroad and abroad. And one of the songs with the biggest buzz in Jamaica pre-social media was Fresh by Red Dragon in 1993. The song targeted people who had a little bit of a struggle with water. So these are my 10 song selections of songs that went viral in Jamaica pre-social media. But I know many of you won't agree with me, so I'm looking forward to reading your suggestions in the comment section. And in the meantime, remember to subscribe to JamFet, celebrating the Jamaican culture abroad and abroad.